Welcome to SatX. Today's topics arithmetic sequence and ACE. We are going to solve these two math. Let's get started. Number 1. Find the 100th term in the sequence below. Given sequence 2, 5, 8, 11, 14. This is arithmetic sequence because the common difference is same. So we can write this is an arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic sequence, right? Then the first term a1 equals to 2. Common difference d equals to 5 minus 2, or we can say 11 minus 8 equals to 3. Okay, then a to the power 100 we have to find. We know a n equals to a plus n minus 1 times d. So here is a 100. First term is 2 plus n is 100 minus 1, d is 3. Then 2 plus 300 minus 3. So here is what? 300, and here is 2 minus 3 is a minus 1. So our answer is 299. Okay, it's a very simple thing. So we have to know the nth term of arithmetic sequence, right? So number 1 done, which one is 299. Next question. The current ages of Tom and Harry are 2x plus 3y and 5x minus 9y. So here 2x plus 3y is for Tom and 5x minus 9y is for Harry, right? Respectively, 5 years ago the sum of their ages was ax plus by plus c. Find the value of a minus b plus c. So first, given Tom current age equals to 2x plus 3y. Tom 5 years ago, 5 years ago, it means 2x plus 3y minus 5, right? Harry current age 5x minus 9y. Harry 5 years ago, 5x minus 9y minus 5. Okay, so 5 years ago the sum of their age. So this one, now sum of 5 years ago, that means here is 2x plus 3y minus 5, then plus 5x minus 9y minus 5, right? So here is a 2x plus 3y minus 5, then plus 5x minus 9y minus 5. Okay, then here is a 2x, here is a 5x, so it will be 7x, plus 3y minus 9y minus 6y, minus 5 minus 5 minus 10. This is the sum of 5 years ago Tom and Harry. Right? Now find the value of a minus b plus c. So the sum of their age was. So now if we combined, it means this is 7x minus 6y minus 10. So finding the value. So the problem states that the sum of their age 5 years ago was ax plus by plus c. So by comparing, here is a 7x minus 6y minus 10 equals to ax plus by plus c. Now look, a is a coefficient of x, and also here 7 is a coefficient of x, b is a coefficient of y, and minus 6 is a coefficient of y, and c is a constant, minus t is a constant. So we can identify the coefficient. So we can write like this: we can identify the coefficient. So coefficient a equals to 7, b equals to minus 6, c equals to minus 10. Right? So we already get the value. Now we will find the value a minus b plus c. We can write this one in here. So a minus b plus c. A means 7, minus b means minus what? B means minus 6, plus c means minus 10. Okay, then 7 minus and minus plus 6, and here is a minus 10, and then 7 plus 6 is a 13 minus 10. Our answer is what? Our answer is 3. Okay, it's a very simple thing and very important question. So no more today. I am trying to solve arithmetic sequence and age word problem in my channel SadX. Please subscribe my channel. I hope this kinds of video will help you and you will get this kinds of math in my channel. So don't forget, subscribe the channel and share with your friends and family. Thank you.